And then she gonna like have like the paper like saying with 2020 on it.
So currently getting ready for pep rally.
2019.
2019.
Wait. Let me take off my shirt.
2019 was in the country.
You want one too?
Dr. Sour.
Anybody have like a pencil? The bottom of the pencil?
What are we doing over here? Almighty seniors.
Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land.
Oh, the highlight, girl. Look at that. What palettes down your eye? Look at all these balloons.
I can't type. What's that?
Where did you get that? And look at me. Seniors. So Sal, who are you going for today?
Who am I voting for?
Yeah.
Of course I'm voting for seniors.
So we won the spirit stick. I forgot to vlog, but we won the spirit stick, and yeah, I'll insert some clip here.
Northside coolin' shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up out my face. Now my ass keep calling sweater shit.
Hold on, you're dark.
Happy birthday! Thank you. Hello. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight.
So today was our pep rally and homecoming. By the way, disclaimer, I go to a really small high school. There's like only 89 seniors and like, I don't know, 79 juniors. So it's like a really small high school. We don't have that many events or pep rally. We only have one. So, you know, I decided to vlog it for you guys. Going to get ready for homecoming. I'm going to shower. It's currently almost, it's almost 4 o'clock and homecoming starts at 6:30. So I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll get back with you guys right when I get out of my shower. So I forgot to record. I almost forgot to record. I got started on one eye and then I noticed I need to record this. I'm getting ready for my last homecoming and I'm finna do the other eyes. It's currently 5:46 and I'm running really late. Homecoming starts in 30 minutes, 45 minutes, but yeah, I'm still doing my eye. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking so I can focus, so yeah. So we're not quite done with my eye yet, but we're gonna move on to foundation and then we'll fix it later. I'll be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and I absolutely love this. I'm in the shade Natural Beige. Just gonna squirt some in the back of my hand.
Something about the way she moved. I can't figure it out.
So I'm currently baking right now, as you can see. We're gonna move back to my eyes and we're gonna finish it. I'm gonna line my eye. I'm going to line my eye and I'm gonna stop recording here because it takes me a while to line mine. I had to be like all the way up to the mirror, so I'm not gonna record it. I'll get back with you guys once I'm done. So I just finished putting on eyeliner. Now I'm gonna apply mascara and put on falsie afterwards.
She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing.
So now the lashes is on. I'm just gonna wipe off the baking and continue doing my face makeup. Oh, this one's cool.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good fame. This for the diamonds, a head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need.
What you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you. My life would be purposeless without you. If I wanted, when I ask you how, you inspire me to be better. You challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me fall on my love letter. Let me help you. Take off your shoes. Untie your shoestring. Take off the covering. You wanna eat through. Let me feed you. Let me run your back water. Whatever you say, I'll try to see you.
Showing. So this is the finished makeup look.